There's a reason your fuel bill keeps climbing, and it's not just rising gas prices. Gas stations quietly drain over $2 billion from drivers every single year, and most people never notice. But today, that changes. I'm revealing 15 fuel-saving secrets gas stations hope you never discover. And secret number 5 alone can save you over $1,000 a year without spending a single dollar. Let's jump straight in. Secret 15. The pump speed trick. When you squeeze the pump handle all the way down, it feels faster, but it secretly costs you money. Fast pumping creates vapor pockets inside the fuel stream. Pumps measure flow, not actual usable fuel mass. So vapor gets counted as liquid, and you pay for fuel that never enters the tank. Slow pumping, fewer bubbles, denser fuel, more accurate delivery. It only adds 20 to 30 seconds to your fill-up. Secret 14. The premium fuel trap. Premium sounds better, but for most cars, it's pure waste. If your vehicle doesn't require premium, you get no extra power, no better mileage, zero cleaning benefit. AAA reports 16.5 million drivers waste over $2 billion every year on unnecessary premium fuel. Which of these secrets surprised you the most so far? Drop your answer in the comments. I'm reading them. Secret 13. The fuel delivery truck trap. If you see a tanker truck refilling the gas station tanks, drive away immediately. Fresh fuel stirs up sediment, rust, dirt, and ethanol residues sitting at the bottom. That contaminated mix goes straight into your tank. Lower MPG and more engine stress. Avoid stations during fuel deliveries. If you're learning something already, make sure to subscribe right now. I post the kind of real money-saving car tips gas stations hope you never see. Secret 12. The morning fuel myth. Buy fuel early in the morning. It's cooler and denser. That's a myth. Underground tanks stay almost the same temperature all day. But here's the real trick. Winter fuel blends have less energy. Natural MPG drop. So temperature? Mostly irrelevant. Fuel blend? Very relevant. Secret 11. The pump calibration trap. Gas pumps drift over time. 6 to 10% fail accuracy tests, and most of those short the customer. Some pumps delivered 13 ounces less per gallon. Tip: avoid pumps with faded or expired inspection stickers.
Secret 10. The air filter connection. A clogged air filter can lower fuel economy by up to 10%. If you can't see light through the filter, replace it. Secret 9. The tire pressure truth. Underinflated tires equal up to 3% MPG loss. The pressure on your door jamb is designed for comfort with a fully loaded car. Most people drive with minimal load, so slightly higher PSI within safe limits improves MPG instantly. How often do you check your tire pressure? Monthly or never? Comment below. Secret 8. The short trip fuel killer. Cold engines burn more fuel, up to 30% more on short trips. Combine errands, reduce cold starts, watch MPG climb instantly. Secret 7. The hidden weight penalty. Extra weight kills fuel economy. 100 pounds equals 1 to 2% MPG loss. And roof racks? Even when empty, they cut efficiency by 10 to 15%. Travel light? Pay less. Secret 6. The wrong oil viscosity trap. Too thick oil increases internal drag. 2 to 5% MPG loss. Too thin oil increases wear. The correct viscosity equals maximum efficiency plus maximum engine life. Secret 5. The gas cap leak. This is the $1,000 per year secret. A loose or cracked gas cap causes vapor leaks. ECU richens fuel mixture, dropping MPG by 2 to 3%. Solution: tighten until it clicks. Replace worn caps. Have you ever seen a check fuel cap warning on your dashboard? Type yes in the comments below. Secret 4. AC versus Windows. Low speed, Windows down is fine. High speed, Windows create drag is bad. Rule: Low speed equals Windows, high speed equals AC. Secret 3. Sensor sabotage. A failing O2 sensor can drop mileage by 20%. A dirty MAF sensor forces rich mixtures. A 2-minute math cleaning can restore lost MPG instantly. Secret 2. The idling trap. Idling burns 0.3 to 0.6 gallons per hour. 10 minutes a day equals 30 plus wasted gallons per year. If you're stopped more than 30 seconds, turn the engine off. Secret 1. The speed sweet spot. Most cars get peak efficiency between 45 and 60 miles per hour. At 70 miles per hour, 15% MPG loss. At 80 miles per hour, 25% or more. Drive just 5 miles per hour slower, save gallons over long trips. And there you have it. 15 secrets gas stations never wanted you to know. If even one of these saves you money, imagine what happens when you use all of them together. Like the video, comment which secret shocked you the most, subscribe for real practical car-saving tips,
And check out my next video, 10 illegal tricks to make your car run better.